thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have ever looked out over the concrete jungle and wished for your own private sanctuary, you are in the right place. Today, we are exploring the stunning world of city rooftop gardens and how you can transform an empty urban roof into a breathtaking natural escape. A city rooftop garden is a thoughtfully designed green space established on the top of an urban building, ranging from residential high-rises and apartments to commercial structures. It serves as an elevated ecosystem where plants, trees, flowers, and custom hardscaping are integrated into the architecture. By utilizing container gardening, raised beds, and specialized waterproof decking, these urban oases bring nature high above the bustling streets, turning an otherwise underutilized roof into a functional living landscape. Having a city rooftop garden offers an incredible array of environmental, aesthetic, and psychological advantages for urban dwellers. By introducing plant life onto hard concrete surfaces, these elevated gardens help mitigate the urban heat island effect, naturally cooling your living space and lowering building energy consumption. They also provide a much-needed private sanctuary for relaxation and stress relief, dramatically improving your mental well-being and overall well-being right outside your door. Additionally, transforming your roof into a green haven creates a vital habitat for local pollinators like bees and butterflies, boosting local urban biodiversity while significantly increasing your property value. Decorating a city rooftop garden to look beautiful requires a delicate balance of smart architectural planning and cozy, aesthetic detailing. Start by selecting weather-resistant, lightweight materials like composite decking, sleek metal containers, or treated timber to define walkways and seating zones without adding excessive structural weight. Incorporate layered lighting, such as subtle pathway illumination and warm uplighting against statement trees, to create a magical atmosphere during evening hours. Finally, blend comfortable outdoor furniture like minimalist sectionals or dining sets with soft textiles, decorative throw pillows, and water features to complete an inviting high-end look. Choosing the best plants for a city rooftop garden means selecting resilient species capable of withstanding intense sunlight, strong winds, and fluctuating temperatures. Ornamental grasses like fountain grass and feather reed grass add fantastic movement and texture while tolerating breezy conditions effortlessly. Evergreen shrubs, dwarf conifers, and boxwoods provide year-round structure and privacy screens, while drought-tolerant perennials like lavender, sedum, and salvias thrive in high-exposure containers with minimal maintenance. You can also incorporate small flowering trees like Japanese maples or birch trees in deep planters to create vertical height and natural shade. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best city rooftop garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, Modern Skyline Linear Oasis. This sleek rooftop design features crisp black metal raised planters filled with lush green conifers and vibrant purple blooms, creating a private botanical pathway against a breathtaking skyscraper backdrop. 2. Illuminated Twilight Urban Haven. Warm architectural strip lighting accentuates textured wooden decking and sculpted pine trees, establishing an intimate dining ambience under the evening city skyline. 3. Minimalist Urban Sanctuary with Gherkin View. Clean white cubic planters and slender birch trees frame an open-air dining area, perfectly contrasting with iconic metropolitan architecture in the distance. 4. High-rise sunbathing deck. Soft artificial turf meets comfortable wooden lounge chairs, offering a bright and inviting sun-drenched retreat high above the bustling city streets. 5. Multi-level timber terrace, featuring integrated wooden bench seating, light paving tiles, and structured perimeter planting. This multi-tiered layout maximizes functionality and modern style. 6. Contemporary panoramic lounge deck. Smooth large-format stone pavers surrounded by bronze-toned metal planters create a clean, open-air floor plan ideal for unobstructed skyline views. 7. Serene urban courtyard walkway. Winding pathways flanked by soft ornamental grasses, wooden pergolas, and textured greenery transform an expansive roof into a peaceful park-like walk. 8. Spiral topiary skyline retreat. Striking spiral evergreen topiaries act as natural architectural guardians, framing an intimate outdoor dining set overlooking a dense urban landscape. 9. Architectural olive tree terrace. Graceful potted olive trees and minimalist white seating set against weathered steel planters deliver a chic, Mediterranean-inspired rooftop escape. 10. Classic boxwood high-rise lounge. Meticulously trimmed boxwood spheres and vibrant birch trees surround a plush charcoal sofa set, combining classic garden elegance with sophisticated urban luxury. Transforming your empty rooftop into a thriving lush garden is one of the most rewarding investments you can make for your home and state of mind. It bridges the gap between fast-paced city living and the grounding calm of nature, giving you a private world of green to escape to whenever you need it. If you enjoyed walking through these incredible city rooftop garden ideas, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest architectural and landscaping inspirations. Drop a comment below telling us which of these rooftop styles is your absolute favorite.